so much fun. Ito is bubbles. Shit na.
That's the boat we take.
Oh yeah, I'm excited about this one. So guys, today is Sunday, so we're gonna stroll down the harbor down in Halifax. And it's a beautiful day. You know, I can move here. What a beautiful place to be. And I hope you guys are having a Labor Day weekend holiday, because we are having such fun. There's a boat there. Jet ski, you can do that too. We can probably sit out where that orange umbrella is. We can sit there and have a drink. Beautiful. So do you think some of these people are in the from that Norwegian cruise? They come down here and we just had this beautiful day to just walk around here.
Yeah, it's part of the tour. Like you
Yeah.
stop for a couple of days.
Right.
Then they go to St. John's.
Yeah.
I don't know how far up the St. Lawrence should be.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, I know that.
Yeah. So nice here. Oh yeah, this is the one you're talking about, a bicycle leaf.
Yeah, they only had a 10 p.m.
Right. So do you want to go down there?
Do you know?
Yeah, we'll just sit there and have a drinks. Enjoy the day. I don't think we need to book a reservation. These are their menus, drinks. Right here. Should go. What? What you looking at, ba?
Those mushroom.
I don't think so.
I'll fling it. If you fling it, I take it away, okay? Central Library?
Yeah. So much fun. So, nandito tayo sa ibang bar. Different spot.
What's this place called, though?
We're sort of like bar hopping. I forgot the name of it, but it's quite nice up here. Caesars and
Say pub crawl. Billy and Jenny doing a pub crawl.
okay, so it's called pub crawl. Okay.
PUBCRAWL.
Okay.
So say Bill and Jen.
Bill and Jen are doing a pub crawl. Cheers everyone for the long weekend. It's called calamari. Dig yourself. It's good, eh? It tastes really fresh and good. I love the dip.
On the way, I'll show you how.
This is good. Do you want to sit over there?
No, I'm okay. You can sit down.
I just need to cool down.
You can cool down.
How's my neck?
Your neck's fine.
It's not deep enough.
It's deep enough for me. Look, maybe I'll dip my feet in there.
You got your jeans on. You didn't even wear your shorts.
Yeah,
What the hell?
so nice. Oh, they get to dip themselves in
Yeah,
there.
you can feel the cold Atlantic water.
Here comes the game. Watch out. Whoopsie. They really like to do that. There they go. Watch out. Hari ng karsada. Ay. Where did the siga go? Where all the siga? Mga siga sa kalsada.
Siga? What's sitting on the
Oh, they're coming back.
Siga?
Yeah. Uy. So guys, check out this place called Lower Deck. Can you see the lineup? Oh my god, this is the lineup, you guys. To go in this place, it's called Lower Deck.
Are we walking this way or on the downtown?
This way. Apparently this is like the popular place to go. So I'm sure there's more over that side. All right. I'm sure it's worth it.
Well, I want to line up.
You're gonna line up? You're gonna line up?
There's a lot of talent in here.
I know, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. You like it?
Yeah, it's not bad. Busy now, eh?
Yeah. Hit the spot though. Now I can say that I had gelato.
Ever had it?
No, never.
Ice cream.
I know, but it's different.